Sometimes while working with dates, we need to assign actions or perform calculations based on the numeric day of the week. This is such an ambiguous area, as for some, the first day of week is Sunday, and for others, it's Monday. And based on your scenario, it may be Tuesday, Wednesday, or any other day for that matter. To simplify such calculations, Excel has a very simple function called weekday. Let's take a look at it. We have this table with just one date, 1st January 2024. This date was a Monday. There is another column called return type and has some numbers written in it. For now, I don't want you to worry about this column. The purpose of this column will be clear in less than a minute from now. Let's find out what day of the week is Monday. Let me write weekday in the cell D2. The first parameter is called serial number. We will provide the date here, so let's select the cell A2. The next parameter is called return type. Here we can provide the option on how we define the first day of the week. You can select any day of your choice to be the first day of the week. I have written all these numbers as values in the column C of our data. So I will select C2 for now, which has the value as 1. The return type 1 means that the first day of the week is a Sunday. And since 1st January 2024 was a Monday, we should receive the answer as 2. As I close the bracket and press enter, I get 2. If I copy the formula to the rest of the rows, I get all these different values. You can select whichever return type matches your need the best. So that's how the weekday function works. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Analytics Success, for more tips and tricks on Excel and data analytics. Thanks for watching.